Good day, sir. This is Group F reporting responsibility for how the rules of call rigs are to be construed and complied with by a vessel in ordinary navigational circumstances. First things first, I introduce myself. I'm John Rigocor, and my co-reporter, um, Joshua Ferras, Frankie Torrentera, Kinit Gamalo, and Jan Riner Ohendras. And they will be reporting afterwards. This report's all about responsibility for how the rules of call rigs are to be construed and comply with a vessel in ordinary navigational circumstances. According to the call rigs, the responsibility for construing and complying with the rules lies with the master, owner, and crew of the vessel. Means, kung mag-apply sila sa inganing rule, nagsalig ni sa master, tag-iya og crew sa vessel such as AB, OS, o cadet, sa panadiha, basta kay nagtrabaho sila sa barko. Meaning, everyone on board is responsible for understanding and following the rules to avoid collisions. So, dapat, every member ninyo nakabalo sa collisions and regulations. Dapat masag-o, dapat masabot. Kaya in times na inganang nanay mga hapit na mga disgrasya such as magtagbo na duha ka barko, kabalo na sila unsay buhaton, unsay dapat na rule gamiton para malikay sa disgrasya, likay sa bangga. This primarily outlined in Rule 2. So, Rule number 2 nakabutang sa Rules of Call Regs kay Responsibility. No? Responsibility. Which emphasizes the need to consider all dangers of navigation and special circumstances while adhering to the rule and ordinary practice of seaman. Kung mukapi ka o musunod ka sa rule, so dili ka madisgrasya, makamao na ka unsaon pagbuhat, unsaon paglikay during kanang mga crucial times kanang hapit na magbangga kintahay.
Good day everyone, good day sir. My name is Joseph Ferras, reporting to Group F. Our topic today is all about responsibility of the vessel's owner, master and crew, mga responsibilidad kuno sa vessels tag-iya, master or crew. No exoneration. Call Rigs Rule 2 states that no vessel owner, master or crew can be excused from the consequences of neglecting to comply with the rules. No, ang pasabot nga to kay no exoneration ang call rigs to kay nagpasabot nga walay sakyan ng pangdagat tag-iya, master or trabahante ang pwedeng morason sa nga resulta sa pagpabaya sa dili pag sunod sa mga patakaran sa barko. This means that are no exceptions or excuses or not following the rules. Nagpasabot pud ni nga walay mga exception o mga pasangil sa dili pagsunod sa mga patakaran sa barko.
Everyone, my name is Janiner Ohendras, reporter of Group F. In this part, ordinary practice of seamen beyond the written rules, the responsibility also extend the following. The ordinary practice of seamen, which refer to the established maritime custom and practices that ensure safe navigation. In seamen, there are written rules that we need to be followed to have and ensure and safety navigation to avoid danger in the sea. And that rules that we need to be practiced to ensure safe navigation of the sea and also the safety of the ship.
Hi class, I'm Frankie A. Torrentera and I'm here to report on the consideration of special circumstances decision making. This report highlights how unique situations may require deviations from standard rules to prevent immediate danger. Special circumstances refer to unique, unforeseen situations that require flexibility in applying standard rules to prevent immediate danger. These situations often demand quick decision making, prioritizing safety over strict adherence to regulations. For example, in emergency response, a first responder might need to break traffic close to reach a victim in critical condition. In a workplace setting, an employee may need to bypass a standard procedure to prevent an accident. Remember, special circumstances call for flexibility and quick judgment to prioritize safety. Thank you for your time and attention.
Due regards to dangers, Rule 2 emphasizes the importance of considering all dangers of navigation and collision, as well as in any special circumstances when interpreting and applying the rules. This includes understanding the limitations of the vessels involved. Dangers of navigation. This includes anything that could pose a risk to your vessel, such as other vessels, ships, boats, ferries, etc. Obstacles, rocks, reefs, buoys, bridges. Weather conditions, wind, rain, fog, currents, etc. Environmental factors, ice, low visibility. Collision. This refers to the risk of colliding with other vessels.
Here's some example. Imagine a vessel approaching another head-on at a 6-mile range. The standard rule would be to alter course to starboard. However, if there is a shallow patch of water on the starboard side, the vessel must consider this special circumstance and may need to deviate from the rule to avoid immediate danger. Here, na ito ka barko na almost na magbangga. Crucial kayo ning time kay duol na ang boat barko. Sa rule, kung magsunod ta sa rule, ang vessel 2 should alter his course to starboard, right? But the right side is naay mabaw na tubig. So, ang vessel 2 pwede siya mo deviate sa rule. Pwede siya magdiskarte og iyaha. Siya'y maghunahuna kung unsaon niya pagsulbad ning problema ha. Kay dili naman ni makuan sa rule. Kay crucial naman, hapit naman sila magbangga both. So, kung ako'y pabuto na ni, kung ako'y crew sa vessel, mo kuan ko kanang mo alter ko sa port side left. But tawagan ako ning vessel 1 ni. Tawagan ako vessel 1 na kanang i-maintain iyang course since dili duol na silang duha. So i-maintain ra na iyang course, ako ray mo alter sa left para masulbad na mo ang among problema. Kaya kung mo alter ko sa right, mabaw man diri na possibility na masabod ang akong barko or si malunod pa hinuon me. So akong diskarte mo alter ko sa port, then ang vessel 1 maoy pa-maintainon iyang course. So let's see. Your responsibility is not only to follow the call regs. You are also responsible for doing everything necessary to avoid the risk of collision and the danger of navigation. So, imong responsibilidad dili ra angay na mo follow ka kanunay sa call regs. Dapat na kay common sense when kanang sa mga crucial times. Dapat nakay abti ka. Dali ka maka-una-una, dali ka maka come up og another idea para masolbad ang naay mga possible na disgrasya ba na or unsa ba. Rule 2 requires you to follow both the rules and the ordinary practice of seamen. This means that you must always use common sense.